One more crypto crash. One more crypto crash before we turn bullish again. Could that be what happens? Well, one very popular analyst who's been around the block, that's what he thinks. We're going to jump into the specifics of that. Sorry, I just smacked the microphone. Excuse me, I got all kind of issues. I'm burping. I got microphone. Okay. That's what one analyst thinks. And we're going to dive into it in this video, guys. Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed, do that down below. Hit that bell notification so you get notified. We got a ton of videos coming out for you every single day, keeping you up to speed on what's going on in crypto. And of course, ClearCryptos, changing DeFi, solving one problem at a time. Check out everything CCX is doing, that board of advisors. Hop into the Discord. Check out the chart. We're consolidating right now, looking nice, looking solid here in a bear market. Just launched a little bit over a month ago. So, all right, let's dive in and take a look here what's going on. So one final capitulation crash before Bitcoin reversal. That's what analyst Benjamin Cowan thinks in terms of when the potential bottom could be found for Bitcoin and for crypto. He says, Cowan says it would be reasonable to expect a bottoming scenario similar to that of 2018, where Bitcoin's price made a series of slightly higher lows before sharply capitulating to new lows to reach its floor. We have seen some bear market rallies here in 2022. He says, so far in 2022, making the case for the bottom has not really served anyone well. And that's why at the beginning of the year, we said, look, don't spend too much mental energy trying to call the bottom in 2022. Now, if you were to follow a similar type of pattern to where traditional bear markets usually take us, we could sort of extrapolate out the 200-day simple moving average if it were to continue on down its current trajectory, where it might cross. That's what he's showing right here in this video, where it could cross, which is right around 14.6, okay? 14,600 for Bitcoin. Now, based on that, this cross could happen around December 25th, Christmas time this year. He said you could see that it would cross somewhere in late December, right around Christmas, 25th, 26th, 27th, around the holidays is where we could see this cross, and this could be an indication that we're at the bottom. No crystal ball. It's not financial advice, just giving you a perspective. He says, I can't really say for sure, obviously, if it's going to play out in the exact same fashion here, but I'll say this bear market has been going on for over a year now, and historically, bear markets for Bitcoin last about 1 year. The one in 2014 lasted 14 months. The one in 2018 lasted about 12 months. So in that context, you could argue that we're well within the window as to when bottoms typically occur in terms of time. Now, Bitcoin did pop up a little bit here recently on the heels of some good news from Jerome Powell. I'm recording this video on November 30th. You might be watching it as we roll along in December, but good indication at that middle of the month meeting for when the Feds decide what they're going to do with interest rates in December. It's looking like it could be a 50 basis point move. So that could be a positive catalyst here for us in the short term. We'll see what it does to cryptocurrency and the overall markets at large. I appreciate you guys so much for stopping back here. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And we're almost getting really close to 2,000 subscribers. So if you want to help us push us over the edge, we need about 50 more subs. So if you're watching this video, you want to help us out there. And listen, we're going to add value to your everyday cryptocurrency journey. Come right back here, learn about what's going on in the markets. We've got you covered. Thank you all so much. We'll see you in the next video.